Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. Be sure to watch this video to the end. In it I will show and tell you how you can unlock in Messenger. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, open Facebook Messenger on absolutely any device. Next we need to click with you on the three bars in the upper left corner. This will open your profile. Click Settings. Next write Privacy and Safety, and here you will see Blocked Account. Click here. Here are all your accounts that you have ever blocked. If you want to unblock one of them, you click on it and click Unblock on Facebook. You have unblocked Facebook. If you also want to unblock a person in Messenger, you also click Unblock and Messages. Thus, you were able to unblock a person both in Facebook and in Messengers. And now the person can send you messages. You will send them, and everything will come to you. If you like this video, put likes, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye, everybody.